You are welcome to my channel. Today we are looking at how to sew side caftan pocket without any visible thread. This is Vsmdesigns. If this is your first time on this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button right below this video and turn on the notification bell so that when next I upload a video, you will be the first to be notified. If you are a returning fan, thank you for checking back. Now, let's go straight to today's tutorial. I've already sewn the clothes and I'm just closing it up right now. Okay, let's first of all mark where our pocket will be. I'm marking 5.5 from the armpit. Then this will be the mouth of the pocket, 6 inches, while the depth of the pocket will be 5.5 inches. Please note that you mark this according to the length of the cloth. I did this short because the full length of the cloth is short. Then you are closing the mouth with basting stitches. Then you stitch and close up the down part. We do the same on the other side of the cloth. I am through with locking the cloth and I've also done the open pressing. This will serve as the pocketing. I made it 12 inches by 14. This will be the height of the pocket, being 12 inches. So this is how it's going to be like after sewing. You place your cloth this way. This is the mouth of the pocket. You are going to turn it this way, face down. So you are going to face this down. Just give like 1 inch from the mouth of the pocket. And then sew. Make sure you are not sewing from your seam. You have to sew just from the tip of the fabric. You can see. Then you also bring this one this way place it like this. You can see it has opening already, just like a pocket. You are going to sew from here, also giving allowance from your original seam. If you're getting value for your time here, please give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube algorithm can show it to more people who would be interested in watching this video. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that when next I upload a video, YouTube will notify you. Now you are going to notch the center of your pocketing. Ensure that the notching you just made aligns with your seam. Then you run thread from both sides. Also do the same on the upper part of the pocket. Get the center of the pocketing. Match the center with your seam and sew from both sides. Okay, this is the down part of the pocket. You are going to sew together. We have already formed our pocket. Let's do the same on the second side of the cloth. Remember, you will give like 1 inch allowance from where your pocket is starting. Then you fix your pocketing from the tip of the fabric. Also get the center of the pocketing and notch it. Match it with your center seam and sew. Do the same at the other end of it. We are done fixing the pocket. Let's now loose the basting stitches we used to cover the mouth of the pocket. And here comes our pocket. Thank you for watching this video. Please click on the banner showing on your screen right now to watch my next video.